Scott and his party covered about 400 miles on the ice barrier and were then delayed by a blizzard.
We found these logbooks and big bound documents in NIWA's library in Wellington.
In these southern latitudes, the winds and the seas roar right round the world with no intervening land to break their force.
The breadth of science that Scott's team undertook while they were doing their missions out on the ice is absolutely incredible. That they did the science basically right up to the bitter end.
We use this information to increase our understanding of climate of the past in the Southern Ocean and around New Zealand and Antarctica, because we don't have a lot of information from that part of the world going back in time.
We need to know more about how the weather operates there and how it's changed through time if we want to tell something meaningful about the changes in our weather and the trends that we've seen recently.
People can help us key in the data from these handwritten logs. So the writing is really curly, so a computer can't recognize it. So we need actual people to come and help us key this data and be able to insert that data into global climate databases.
We have some missions that we'd like people to go on to key in observations from sledging forays out onto the ice. The majority of the observations that we're going to recover are from ships, and ships of exploration, ships of commerce, whaling and sealing missions. Each one of these ships is something like a mobile weather laboratory where regimented observations were taken every single day.
So we're wanting to key about 1 million observations for the course of this project, which it's a big lofty task, but we have a lot of information to get through, and through our citizen science website, Southern Weather Discovery, we're really hoping that our volunteers around the world will be able to help us out with this task.
The ship logs are time machines.
They would never have thought that we would be using their data to predict future climate change. That's really cool to think that we're actually using their legacy to help ours.